Real estate investing, it sounds complicated, right? Like something only rich people do. That's a myth. Real estate investing is a fantastic way for anyone to build wealth, and it's easier to get started than you might think. Think of it like building a strong oak tree. It takes time, but with the right care and attention, it can grow into something amazing. This guide is your roadmap to real estate investing, designed especially for beginners. We'll break down complex concepts into simple terms, providing practical tips and actionable steps along the way. Whether you're dreaming of early retirement, financial freedom, or simply a more secure future, real estate can help you get there. Let's get started. Before you jump into the world of real estate, it's crucial to understand the basics. Think of it like learning the rules of a game before you start playing. What is the current state of the market? Are prices going up or down? What factors influence these trends? Luckily, there are tons of resources available to help you learn. Websites, books, podcasts, and even online courses can provide valuable insights into the real estate market. Don't be afraid to ask questions. Talk to real estate agents, lenders, and other investors to gain different perspectives and learn from their experiences. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make informed decisions and succeed in your real estate ventures. One of the most critical decisions you'll make is choosing where to invest. Location plays a huge role in the success of your investment. Start by considering your own backyard. Are there areas with strong rental demand or potential for growth? Think about factors like job market stability, population growth, and local amenities. Research different neighborhoods, analyze market trends, and compare average property prices and rental rates. Remember, you don't have to limit yourself to your immediate area. With online resources, you can explore opportunities in different cities and states. The key is to find a market that aligns with your investment goals and risk tolerance. Unless you have a pile of cash stashed away, you'll likely need financing to purchase an investment property. The good news is, there are various financing options available, even for first-time investors. Traditional mortgages are a common choice, but they typically require a larger down payment. Government-backed loans like FHA or VA loans offer more lenient requirements and lower down payment options. You can also explore private loans, partnerships, or even seller financing. Each option has its pros and cons, so it's important to do your research and compare interest rates, loan terms, and eligibility criteria. Talking to a mortgage broker can help you navigate the different options and find the best fit for your situation. Finding the right property. Your next steps. Now comes the exciting part. Finding your dream investment property. Start by defining your investment strategy. Are you looking for a quick flip or a long-term rental? What type of property best suits your needs and budget? Once you have a clear vision, it's time to start searching. Online real estate portals, local listings, and even real estate agents can help you find potential properties. Don't be afraid to think outside the box. Foreclosures, auctions, and off-market properties can offer great deals for savvy investors. Remember, finding the right property takes time and effort. Be patient, persistent, and don't settle for the first property you come across. Evaluating potential. Is this the one? You found a property that catches your eye. Now what? Before you get swept away by the excitement, it's crucial to evaluate its potential. Start by analyzing the numbers. What's the asking price? What are the potential rental income, expenses, and cash flow? Does it make financial sense? Next, consider the property's condition. Does it require repairs or renovations? How much will that cost? Factor in the location, neighborhood amenities, and potential for appreciation. Remember, buying an investment property is a business decision. Don't let emotions cloud your judgment. Carefully weigh the pros and cons to determine if the property aligns with your investment goals. Due diligence. Don't skip this step. Due diligence is like doing your homework before making a big purchase. It's an essential step that can save you from costly mistakes down the road. Once you've found a promising property, it's time to dig deeper. Hire a qualified inspector to thoroughly examine the property for any hidden problems or potential repairs. Review the seller's disclosures and title report to uncover any legal issues or liens. Research the zoning regulations and neighborhood restrictions to ensure they align with your investment plans. Due diligence may seem tedious, but it's better to be safe than sorry. By uncovering any red flags early on, you can avoid potential headaches and make informed decisions about your investment. Managing your investment, what to expect. Congratulations, you've successfully purchased your first investment property. This is a significant milestone and a great achievement. Now comes the ongoing responsibility of property management. It's not just about owning the property, but also about maintaining and managing it effectively. You have two options: manage the property yourself or hire a property manager. Each option has its own set of advantages and challenges. Self-management can save you money, but it requires time, effort, and a specific skill set. You'll need to be organized and proactive. You'll be responsible for finding tenants, collecting rent, handling maintenance requests, and ensuring the property is in good condition. Additionally, you'll need to deal with any emergencies that may arise, such as plumbing issues or broken appliances. If you prefer a more hands-off approach, hiring a property manager is a great option. They bring expertise and experience to the table. They'll handle the day-to-day operations for a fee, including tenant interactions, maintenance, and legal compliance. This allows you to enjoy passive income without the hassle, giving you more time to focus on other investments or personal pursuits. Whether you choose self-management or hire a pro, effective property management is crucial for maximizing your returns and protecting your investment. It's about making informed decisions and staying engaged with your property. The rewards of real estate long-term benefits. Real estate investing offers a multitude of benefits that can set you on the path to financial freedom. It's not just about owning property, it's about creating a stable and prosperous future. One of the most significant advantages is the potential for long-term wealth creation. Over time, as you hold onto your property, its value can increase substantially, providing you with a solid financial foundation. As property values appreciate over time, your investment grows, building equity and increasing your net worth. This appreciation can be a powerful tool for wealth accumulation, allowing you to leverage your property for further investments. Rental income provides a steady stream of passive income, supplementing your current earnings or even replacing your job altogether. This consistent cash flow can help you achieve financial independence and provide a safety net during economic downturns. Real estate investments offer tax advantages, such as deductions for mortgage interest, property taxes, and depreciation. These tax benefits can significantly reduce your taxable income, allowing you to keep more of your hard-earned money. Moreover, owning real estate provides a hedge against inflation, as property values tend to rise along with the cost of living. This means that your investment is likely to retain its value and even grow in purchasing power over time. By investing in real estate, you're not just buying a property, you're securing your financial future and creating a legacy for yourself and your loved ones. This legacy can provide stability and opportunities for future generations, ensuring that your investment continues to benefit your family for years to come. Taking the leap tips for getting started. Ready to embark on your real estate investing journey? It can be both exciting and daunting, but with the right approach, you can navigate this path successfully. Here are some practical tips to help you get started. These tips are designed to give you a solid foundation and help you avoid common pitfalls. Start small and scale gradually. This approach allows you to learn the ropes without taking on too much risk. You don't need to buy a massive apartment complex right away. In fact, starting with a smaller property can be more manageable and less stressful. Begin with a smaller property, gain experience, and then consider expanding your portfolio. Network with other investors. Building relationships in the industry can open doors to new opportunities and valuable advice. Join local real estate investment groups, attend industry events, and participate in online forums. These platforms are great for learning and sharing experiences. Connect with experienced investors who can offer guidance and support. Mentorship can be incredibly beneficial, providing insights that you might not find in books or online. Don't be afraid to ask for help. Whether it's advice on a potential deal or understanding market trends, reaching out can save you from costly mistakes. Real estate is a team sport. Surround yourself with professionals who can support your journey, such as real estate agents, lenders, attorneys, and contractors. Each of these professionals brings a unique set of skills and knowledge to the table. They can provide valuable expertise that can help you make informed decisions and avoid potential pitfalls. Stay informed about market trends. The real estate market is constantly evolving, and staying updated can give you a competitive edge. Keep your finger on the pulse of the real estate market by reading industry publications, attending webinars, and following market reports. This will help you make data-driven decisions. Be patient and persistent. Real estate investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires time, effort, and dedication. It takes time to find the right deals, build your portfolio, and see significant returns on your investments. But with patience and persistence, you can achieve your financial goals and build a successful real estate portfolio. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. So take the leap, stay committed, and enjoy the journey. Conclusion: building wealth through real estate. Real estate investing is an exciting and rewarding journey that can transform your financial future. By following the steps outlined in this guide, educating yourself, and seeking guidance from experienced professionals, you can navigate the world of real estate with confidence. Remember, every successful investor was once a beginner. Take the first step today and watch as your real estate dreams become a reality.